Hello, my name is Petri Kainulainen. I come from Savonia University of Applied Sciences, Finland. The goal of this video is to present the idea of eRDI course, which is called Social and Environmental Infrastructure. So I will very briefly present the course content and the assignments that the students need to do. So first, the learning outcomes, what the students are expected to learn during the course. The first point is that what are basically the most important environmental and social issues at the moment in the region that the students are operating. The second one is how to analyze or measure those environmental and social issues. And then the students need to understand the effects of environmental and social issues into the quality of life and regional development of that area. And then it's very important to understand what are the differences in different levels in EU, in national, in regional level, in environmental and social issues, and how bioeconomy, after all, can play a role in these issues at regional level. So here is the course plan, which we had this spring 2018. The intensive period was 1 week. Before that, the students had possibility to watch some video lectures, and after the intensive week, the students had assignment to fill. So first, we had 4 teachers, Chris Tielemans and Mars Voitten from Haas University of Applied Sciences, Netherlands, and Teija Rantala and me, Petri Kainulainen from Savonia University of Applied Sciences. So first day, basically, we started with introductions and then content of the module and assignments. Then when we had these video lectures, we had a short summary of those lectures, what were the contents. Then a short assignment was presented about comparison of quality of life in 2 countries. And the students presented that assignment, the result of the assignment, a bit later this week. Then we have had a couple of lectures also related to the quality of life survey in Europe and discussion based on that. Tuesday, the second day, was preparing the structure for the interviews, the case study in the villages, and of course, quality of life related questions, since Chris and my topic was basically quality of life. Then we practiced SWOT analysis and AWOT analysis as a methodological point of view. Then Mars and Teija joined us, and we had presentations from the short assignment, which was given in Monday. Then Mars and Teija presented the content of the rest of the week and gave lectures on environmental issues in Europe and discussed the questions from the video clips provided previously via Moodle. Then summary of video lectures and discussion and working on short assignment on environmental issues in their own countries. Then Thursday, lectures on biodiversity and ecosystem services, introducing the case villages and what they have done, the students have done earlier. And then the students prepared the interviews on environmental issues, made the questions based on that. And if they had questions on the short assignment, they could have time for that also. Then Friday morning, practicing the interviews, and then presentations on the short assignment, which was the environmental issues of their own country, and then feedback for the week. This course consists a large self-study, or actually it's group-wise study, which includes interviews in the villages, analysis, reporting, and preparing the final presentations. And in the following slides, I will give the full detailed info about the self-study. Then the final presentations, and additionally, we agreed with the students that we will have possibility to have face-to-face guidance via Zoom system when needed or agreed. Then the course assignment. The task for the students was to evaluate the social and environmental aspects in their case villages. Each group got a case village which was close or nearby to the Joensuu, where the course was located. Then they need to analyze the data with SWOT and AWOT methodology, and based on the analysis, provide the development objectives to the case village, how to develop the quality of life and environmental issues in the village. Some data collection instructions were given. So first of all, it's a qualitative data collection. It's based on interviews as planned and agreed, and we agreed that the students need to interview about from 8 to 10 interviews per group, and they need to use some recording devices for the interviews. After the interviews has been performed, the students need to write down, make the transcriptions of the data with Microsoft Word software, and make a SWOT table and analyze the SWOT table by AWOT methodology for the case village. And the students need to provide the study report with MS Word, and we agreed that report should include at least introduction, methodology part, results, and conclusion. And then we had final presentations via Zoom system after they had concluded the whole study. So that was basically the idea of the course in eRDI, Social and Environmental Infrastructure. Thanks for listening to the video and have a nice day.